Like those fencing shoes.
He's putting them on audience members now.
Does our insurance cover that?
No.
Oh, I thought not.
Hey, Hatchworth.
Yo, what's up?
Pardon me. Hey, Hatch Dog.
Oh, that's what I like to hear.
Where'd you get them sweet kicks, Hatchie?
Oh, you don't know?
No.
There's this little shop just beyond the horizon, past the purple hills. It's a shop called None Your Business. You just got style. You liking those for reals?
Yeah, no, they're great.
They are. I had to say shit.
They're really painful.
Well, sometimes fashion is worth the pain.
Yeah. Oh, not physically. I mean financially painful.
I suppose fashion's also that way.
We're talking the rest of our budget for the remainder of the quarter.
We don't have gas. We're out of
Yeah,
gas.
well, it's the beginning of the year almost, so it's not really going to work out.
Well, not money in quarters. I bought like a big bus full of quarters. I lost money in exchange rate. Guys, we're stuck in Paris, California. And a lucky audience member's basement's gonna be home to Steve Boucher out the band.
I call the water heater.
I'll take my
Yeah,
chances.
Steve likes to watch a lot of cartoons. Steve's coming too. He's part of the package, okay?
Mostly pork rinds.
Steve's a grown human boy.
Yeah.
Don't drag me into your insane. Please.
Calm down, Steve. There's plenty of pork rinds in the van.
I know it's sad we're not gonna be able to go home to San Diego. But who likes that place anyways? It's just San Diego.
Ooh, this one. Right here.
Right, I mean, this is a nice place,
Oh,
but
Paris is wonderful.
Okay,
but
you know
that's
what?
where all our stuff is.
Yeah.
Let's.
Right here.
I'm gonna just throw this out there. I'm just gonna throw it out there, see what works. If we win tonight's Battle of the Bands and we get that 5 G's,
Oh, this is not a battle.
then we can afford the gas home.
Yeah, okay, this isn't a battle.
So let's win
We're the
the
only band
battles of the Iron Horse Bands Festival,
There's
Steampunk.
no, that's not. That's
I
not
believe we can do it. Let's do
no,
it.
no, there's not.
That's the first part.
No, there's not a battle of the bands. It's just us.
If we really... What?
Wait.
It's just us. This is our show.
But
It's
the
not a-
power
it's
of
not a-
believing.
It's not a contest.
Oh wait, Rabbit. Because you believed, we defaulted. We won the Battle of the Bands.
Oh my gosh!
I mean that in the best of ways.
That's okay. Some of us,
There you go.
some of us have diarrhea. Some of us are stupid.
Oh, you just got hatched dog. Hashtag hatched
I
dog.
believe all night I've been getting rabbited and hatch dogged.
It doesn't sound as good when I do a thing to people, but we're working on it.
Okay. Well, and on that note, here's another song.
Guys, there's something else. I've got to get off my hatch.